Okay. That was unexpected.
Okay. New update. We got the P&W horn going on
There's
the
currently
south
a train
side.
coming from Danbury. We see the lights, and the freight train is almost here on the other side.
And then to the north, we got, I think it's the same train coming back.
But neither of them are on the radar.
Exactly. Wait, and also
There's
why
a
would
battle of the horns right now.
yo?
This is actually
I sure hope that we don't have a collision in front of them. Anyway, just thought you'd let you know in case we perish. Train collision.
Well, it has to be going into the siding, right?
Yeah, if I start seeing lights over there, we're running over there. Oh my god, that sounds close.
No, it's coming from the engine over there.
If this one can hurry up and get him.
Okay, let's try to be quiet because we should trust.
Alright, I'm hooking up. Pray. Pray for both companies. I swear to God, if we see lights coming from that side, we're running. And you can record from over there.
And then I'd be able to be on the news. Oh boy, here it comes.
Can the freight train, does it fit on the side plate?
It should. When you don't 25 cars.
Oh my God, the lights are so bright.
Stand back. Okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more rail